Presenting Sweet Daddy C and a surprise guest.
What's up, y'all? Today we got a special guest, Nina K, and the special guest, Nina. Please bring in the box.
Courtesy of UPS Ground.
Hello. Hello there, Gregor. What's up with your fool?
I'm fine. How are you?
I could chill.
That's I.
So what you here be talking about, fool?
Today I will explain the basics of the field of genetics.
What you talking about, Willis?
Genetics is the study of heredity and traits.
Nina K, you got a clue what he's yapping about?
Well, if you let him explain, you'll find out.
Fine, Mom.
Thank you, kind miss. As I was saying, genetics is the study of heredity and traits. Based on your obvious ignorance of modern science, Mr. Sweet Daddy C, I suppose I will have to explain that to you. Heredity is essentially the passing of genetic characteristics from the parents to the offspring. These genetic characteristics are called traits. These traits can determine things like our hair color, eye color, tongue rolling, the list goes on and on. Now that I have had my say, I suppose I shall pose a question to you, Sweet Daddy C. What traits do you think you possess?
You tripping? That easy. My gangsterness.
Yes, well, I'm sure that you didn't get that from your parents.
Oh!
You just got owned, fool.
Mm-hmm.
These genes are passed down from each parent's chromosomes and sex cells. Oh, that doesn't. These sex cells proliferate through the process of meiosis. Meiosis is the division of sex cells. The stages include interphase, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, cytokinesis 1, prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, and cytokinesis 2. The cell spends most of its time in interphase as it gets ready for meiosis. In prophase, the cell's plasma membrane begins to diminish. In metaphase, the chromosomes start to line up in the middle of the cell. In anaphase, the chromosomes begin to separate toward opposite poles. In telophase, the cell begins to divide in two. During cytokinesis, the cell splits and the plasma membranes form around both cells. While there are many other intricate parts to these complex processes, that was the gist of it.
What's the gist, man? I don't even know how to read.
The main idea.
Excluding interphase, all of these phases occur twice in meiosis to form 4 separate cells. While these ideas may not have been mine, I did come up with the ideas of the law of segregation and the law of independent assortment. My idea that is most commonly known as the Punnett square.
Ah, Dad, that's a square, right, man? I don't know what you just said. That's a shape, right? Yeah, just like Nina's head. Yeah.
Sweet Daddy C is most definitely a shape.
Oh yeah, I learned something today. Wash out. We're show out of time. Thank you very much, Mr. Mendel. I'm mighty gangster talking to you all. And as for the rest of y'all, I'll see you every day for the rest of this week.
But it's Shark Week.
Well, too bad, sucker. Sweet Daddy C signing off.
Yeah.